What's up, guys? Welcome back to another FTB video. Today I'm at my homie's crib. He just bought a new tool set. Round of applause for this guy. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and install some switchbacks on the FG today. If you don't know what switchbacks are, which I mean you probably do know what you want because you clicked on this video, is just a turn signal. So I have clear housings for my headlights, and what that happens is that I'll show you guys. Basically, when I turn on the turn signal or the emergency button, they light up, but they're like halogen white,
Look ugly.
basically. And then I mean, because like the stock ones already have like this orange overlay, which I could show you over here. This is basically the OEM ones. As you can see, they're clear in the front, but then they're orange, so that's what's like orange at night. But those are clear over there. So basically that's it. Take the bolt up there and then the bolt on the side, and it should come out. But you have to take this black bracket out in order to get the headlight out. But we're just gonna go ahead and try it just like that, because all we need is just a turn signal. So this is the bulb right here, and then if you see, there's three cables. The black, which is your ground, the red, which is your constant power, that's the daytime running light, and then the blue is going to be your turn signal on the driver's side. Those colors change on the passenger side, because over here it should be brown. The black is the ground, the red is the daytime running light, and then the brown is the turn signal. So what we're gonna have to do is splice the resistors into the brown and the black, and then change out the bulb. We did the connections and we did a test run. Like I said, so this is the resistor, right? Generally speaking, there should be a red and a black, but this one has the same color both sides. I saw one that has like both red sides. This is both black sides, etc. So like I said, there's three cables to the turn signal that goes right here. The black one is the ground, and then the brown one is going to be the turn signal, which the colors are reversed over there. The black one is still ground, but there's going to be a blue cable instead of brown for the turn signal. So we spliced it in the middle. I used one of these wire cutters. Make sure you have one of these, and it was about the 4th hole in, so it was the 1.3 to the 16th size. And splice it, and then just do the connections, like wrap around it on both sides like so. And then from there forth, we just put the turn signal bulb inside. If my homeboy can show you guys what it looks like now. It worked perfectly. There is no hyper flashing at all, so we can show you guys. So this is the daytime running light, so like when you put the headlights on, and then that's when it's flashing. So now we just have to figure out where to mount this, because this gets super hot apparently, like a light bulb. And then that's the next step, and then we could just tie everything up and it's pretty much finished. Like I said, the driver's side doesn't have a brown cord, cable or wire. It's going to be blue. That's your turn signal light. And then same thing, splice the black one. The black one is the ground one. The ground is the next one that you want to tie up to. So that's what we are currently doing. One thing though is that we ran into an issue of fitment. Basically on the headlights, when we put the LED bulbs in, it would hit the little layer right here. I don't know if the camera sees that, but there's like a little layer of plastic right there. So it would hit it and it wouldn't go inside when you lock it up in here. So thanks to my buddy, he got what are those things called?
I don't know.
Anyway, so we got this little I don't know how to explain this. Kind of like one of those. We use the, what is that, 1 inch?
No, this isn't it's on the drill right now. I think it's 3/8.
But yeah, we use one of those. I guess adjust to the size of your bulbs, but we cut a hole in it into the front. And basically that allows it to go in and then clip up. So we ended up doing that. So right now we're just doing the driver's side, and then we're gonna figure out where to mount the resistors at. So I was able to install them, and then this is pretty much what they look like during the day. As you can see, these are the HIDs as my main headlights, and then these are the turn signals, which are the LED switchbacks. Pretty much look bright, and it all looks super white. And let me turn on the hazard for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like with the switchbacks. And this is the turn signals, all the hazard lights. It turns into amber and orange. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like without it. So you can see how that's white right now, and then it'll turn orange when I do the turn signal, and then it'll turn back to white. You record?